Licken, and Ducky Wucky ran to their friend Goosey Lucy and yelled, "Goosey Lucy, Goosey Lucy, the sky is falling. The sky is falling. We must tell the president." "Let's go," honked Goosey Lucy. Chicken Little, Ducky Lucky, and Goosey Lucy ran to their friend Cookie Lucky and yelled, "Cookie Lucky,
What?
Lucky, Cookie Lucky, the sky is falling. The sky is falling. We must tell the president." "Let's go," crowed Cookie Lucky. Wait a minute, cried Jack, the narrator. "I forgot the table of contents. I forgot the table of contents. Contents. Hey, you're not in the story," said Chicken Licken. "I know," said Jack, the narrator, "but I came to warn you. The table of contents is the sky is falling." "The sky is falling," clucked Chicken Licken. "We must tell the president." So Chicken Licken, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, and Cookie Lucky
Which one is Cookie Lucky?
ignored Jack the narrator
Cookie
and
Lucky
ran
is
off
that.
to catch the plane to Washington, just
It's not.
outside the airport. They
No,
met.
that's Cookie Lucky. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
That's Chicken
They
Little.
met Foxy Loxy. "Foxy Loxy, Foxy Loxy, the sky is falling. The sky is falling. We must tell the president," yelled Chicken Licken. Just Lucky
That's
Goosey
Chicken Licky.
Lucy and Cookie Lucky will come with me, said Foxy Loxy. "I know where a shortcut to the airport." Foxy Loxy let Chicken Licken, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, and Cookie Lucky to his cave. She didn't get to eat them though because Chicken Licken was almost right. The sky wasn't falling. The table of contents it fell and squashed everybody. That end.
Squash everyone?
Chicken Licken, the president, and the bowling ball, the really ugly.
Can you call us up, Maya?
That's just what's happening, and then it does. There's like a bunch of stories in this stuff.
Next.
Oh, do you want to?
No.
Maya, how do you like having your friends over from the neighborhood?
I like it, but I don't think they're really listening to what I'm saying.
You tried.
All right.
How did you like it, Izzy?
I loved it.
Good.